everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're all healthy and safe with your families. I know it's a hard time for a lot of families out there. COVID-19 hit the world and has just totally changed our world as we know it and changed a lot of things. It's been crazy, but we just have to, try and push through and just hang in there. For a while, I wasn't really feeling my best, and I just had to take a little bit of a break, just step back, and feeling much better now. No, I didn't have the COVID. Thankfully, my family's all healthy, everyone's fine. But I just had to take that little break to just take care of myself. So I'm back now. Today, I just want to play with a little bit of makeup and just chit chat with you guys. And might I just say a big shout out to teachers. Yeah, y'all are amazing. I don't think you get the credit that you deserve because it's a lot. So thank you to all the teachers out there, and thank you to all our essential workers. If you work at the grocery store, to if you're the mailman or a nurse, a doctor, in healthcare. Thank you to all of you. You guys are all amazing for everything you're doing, putting your life on the line to take care of us. Marykay has been doing lots of wonderful things. They donated hand sanitizers to frontline workers because the government called on them to make sanitizers. I might insert a picture of it right here. I think it was awesome that they were able to do that because that's definitely very helpful. I know a lot of consultants, myself included, I've been trying to play a little part in to help in this situation that's been going on. A lot of consultants, with the help of their customers and family and friends, donating products, giving away products to healthcare workers or frontline workers, like satin hands, because this season with all the washing and all the hand sanitizers, our hands have all been taking a beating. So if you'd like to give to a frontline worker, to an essential worker, contact your local beauty consultant. You can, get satin hand set for them. You can even get them the Mint Bliss Energizing Lotion because they're on their feet all day. You can get them some cute little care packages or care pampering packages. I know a lot of people are making masks and, giving out masks and things like that. So, thank you to everyone. I love this country. I love the people. We're all just trying to do the best we can, and we're all just trying to play our little role here and there to just say thank you and to support them. And yeah, so let's get into it. So how are you guys doing? Let's sound off in the comments. Tell me what you're doing to keep yourself sane during this quarantine season. My fridge has been taking a beating. Okay, we just eating up in here. Yep. So let's start with our base. I'm gonna go my Marykay primer. It's really important to try and do something that you love, something that just help lift your spirits. We all have something that we love to do. For me, it's always like doing my skincare and stuff, which, I always feel, 1,000 times better when I do my skincare, when I just take that little time, that little 10 or 20 minutes to wash my face and do a spa treatment. It totally lifts my spirit up. That's just me. Don't get it twisted. Like, this situation can take its toll mentally, because when this whole thing started happening, it did hit me. I wasn't feeling well, and then the whole thing going on in the world, the news and all that, it did take a toll on me mentally. I think I just kind of went down. I think it's really important to find something to do for yourself, during the day, maybe working out or drawing or doing painting or something, honey, just something to just help you feel better. Okay, today I think I want to use the CC cream. I use the shade Deep. You guys see that? That is Deep. Okay, I want to show you how it looks. Sometimes I feel like it's a little darker than me, but I don't mind because when you put on concealer and all that fun stuff, it does balance out. Medium to Deep, which is a step higher, which let me swatch that one for you guys. That is Deep, which is okay, and then this is Medium to Deep, which you can see is way lighter than my complexion. Now the CC cream, as you can see, gives you a nice glow if that's something you're looking for, especially if you're someone who's got dry skin. Okay, you're gonna love this foundation. So the CC cream is light coverage, if you want that skin look. makeup. You know what I'm saying? This is perfect for that. It's got SPF 15 and it is buildable. You can see me glowing, right? Which there's nothing wrong with a little glow. Okay, even if you are oily, you can just set it down with a powder. And let me tell you, when you put a powder over this, the finish of it is like, whoa, it's so different. It's so different from the Time Wise, you know? So there, what do you think? Perfect. Okay, so that's the Mary Kay CC cream, and I just use deep. I will be setting my face because, you know, I'm combination oily skin. So next I'm gonna follow with our Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer. You guys know the drill. By the way, can I just say thank you guys? We hit 3,000 subscribers. I just want to say hello and welcome to all our new subscribers. Thank you for joining our little family here. You are absolutely welcome. Let me know if there's anything you want to see, you know, if there's anything you'd like to see on my channel. And that goes for my ride or dies as well. You know, you guys should always let me know if there's any kind of video in particular you want to see. Wow, a lot of things have happened actually. I just remembered. I did a post on the community page, and you know, I didn't even talk about the actual picture, but you guys, I got featured on Mary Kay's page. Okay? I got featured on their page, which was amazing. Okay? So that picture I shared in my community post, I'm gonna put the picture right here again. Mary Kay shared my picture on their Facebook page. They shared my picture on their Instagram page. And you know, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you definitely must have seen, because I, you know, of course I reposted it and shared it there. And I got a lot of people even tagging me in the actual post on Mary Kay's page. Oh, that's Eddie J. So that was definitely really cool. Okay. Really cool. So that was super, super awesome. And with everything that was going on at the time, it was really, really refreshing for me to see that, and you know, to just read people's comments and see all the love that picture was getting. So yeah, you guys, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's on Instagram, it's on their Facebook page. You're probably gonna have to scroll down because it's been a minute now. So, but yeah, thank you, Mary Kay, for that share. So while that is setting, let's move on to our eyes. So let's just pat this in. Another trick with our Mary Kay concealers is if you kind of leave them on for a tiny bit, not too long, because they do dry down, you know, it does give you a fuller coverage. Okay, you see what I did there with that? I kind of let it just sit on my eyelids for a bit. And there you can see that coverage, right? Very nice. If you hear my kids, you know, I'm sure your kids are doing the same thing right now. Remember Mary Kay posted something about blue being the color for the year. So I'm gonna go in with Evening Navy, all right? This matte blue color right here. There's a YouTuber I follow on YouTube and Instagram, Taylor Made Jane. She did this beautiful blue eye look. And I was like, oh my God, I gotta try that. Ooh, I think I need a smaller brush. You know, with blue, you gotta really, you gotta really be careful. You know what I'm saying? I might have to switch to a smaller brush. The brush I'm using right now is Lori Hug's brush. You guys know I like her brushes. Okay, I know blue is a color that most of the time scares us just because it's so intimidating. But I mean, there are definitely ways you can incorporate blue into your makeup look without doing what I'm doing. You know, you can just use a blue eyeliner to line your eyes, or you can use, you know, blue under your in your waterline. There's little ways you can incorporate blue into your eye look. Okay, so I picked up this smaller fluffy brush that's gonna give me better control to go in the crease without messing it up. Now I'm gonna go with pomegranate because I remember in her video that I watched, she grabbed, you know, like a wine-ish color, if that makes sense. So I'm going in my palette and I'm grabbing the marykay pomegranate. I'm gonna try first of all using that to blend the blue and take that up. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Isn't that just, whoa, honey. We're gonna cut the crease. Let's do this. Let's do this little trick and see if it helps us to cut. There it is. Y'all see that? Cut the crease. So now I'm just going to kind of reinforce the evening navy and I'm gonna take it higher up. Okay, so we're just gonna stop here and I don't know if you guys can hear my kids. They're really loud right now. I'm gonna pick up this color here, which is Gold Status. And we're just going to put that in our cut crease, okay? Again, I'm patting the product on, okay? Not sweeping. We are patting. Okay, so now that we have put there, I'm gonna go back with the blue and I'm just going to kind of blend that a little bit into the gold. Now I'm going to go back with a little bit of pomegranate and just reinforce it because we did lose a little bit of that. Let's line our eyes. This look definitely calls for a waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. So I'm gonna take Gold Status. I'm going to kind of put some of that under. Okay, getting the gold. You guys can see it. Now that the gold is there, we're gonna go and pop on some of the blue. Ciao. This is some quarantine makeup, okay? All right, guys, so while my lashes are drying, I'm just gonna go with a light coat of mascara, and this is a Lash Intensity by marykay. Now we're going to powder contour. I'm going to go in with my Cocoa Contour, all right? And we're just going to use that to bring, ooh. That's okay. Guess what? It blends like a dream. All right. All right. I did it again. So let's wipe that off. This is why it's always better to start with a light hand. Okay. Did you see that? Start with a light hand so you don't look like me. But it really does blend easily. But yeah, always start with a light hand. All right, so now I'm just applying a little bit of marykay Shimmer press powder. Gonna go in with light beam. So next we're gonna go in with highlighter. I always like to apply my highlighter before my blush. So I'm just going in with my marykay highlighter. And let's go in with our blush. For our blush, I'm going to use Hot Coral. Remember, high up, lifts up the face. Don't drag the blush down, okay? I'm gonna pop just a tad bit of the highlighter. All right, so now we're gonna go for the lipstick, and I'm gonna use Spice of Life, which was a limited edition lipstick. You can use a nude lipstick or whatever lipstick you want, but I think I wanna use this one.
Okay, I want a nude, so let's
Let's get our Bash for You instead. Alright you guys, so that is it. We are done with our makeup tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This was definitely quite a dramatic look. But yeah, I mean, it's blue. It's gorgeous. Blue is royalty. And then we put our gold in there. And yeah, pomegranate on the eyes too. I mean, we played with lots of colors today. We even put a little bit of the new liquid eyeliners in the tear duct just to give the eyes a little pop. And you know, for our lip, we went with Spice of Life, and I went over that with Bash for You just to kind of brighten that up and lift it up a bit. And we have our cheeks going and everything. So yeah, what you guys think? Let me know what you think about this tutorial today. If you enjoyed watching, definitely give this video a thumbs up, okay? And share, all right? Share with your makeup lovers and friends out there. Let me know what you think about the marykay CC cream. If you use it, you know, comment down, let me know what shade you use and how you love it. So this is the finished look with the marykay CC cream, and I think it's gorgeous, don't you think? I'm combination to oily skin, but you can see I'm still able to use the CC cream and just set it down with a powder, and my base is absolutely flawless and just beautiful. It is buildable, and it does have your sunscreen in it, so you know you are protected from the elements, from the sun, and you know what's not to love, okay? So if you guys love everything you see today, you know, definitely go check out this product on my website. If you don't have a beauty consultant, but if you do have a beauty consultant, definitely connect with her and, you know, ask her about these products. I'm sure she'll be very happy to help you. And yeah, I had fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today. All right, send you guys much love, you know, in this time. We're all gonna be okay, so just hang in there. Don't forget to please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and definitely turn on your notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload. All right, from me to you, bye. See you in the next one.